Welcome to 3700 Bush River Road, Unit I-2. This charming 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, townhome style condo is located in the Cloisters in the St. Andrews area or Seven Oaks area of Columbia. It's convenient to I-26 and I-20, Riverbank Zoo, Harbison dining and shopping, and just a quick commute to Columbia or Irmo. So we're out at the front of the unit. You can see it's a 2-story unit. You have a covered front entry under the awning here. And we'll step inside and take a look. So as soon as we get inside, you notice that we have luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main level. It is in the bathroom upstairs as well. You have a kitchen off of the foyer to your right. You have an included dishwasher, electric stove, and refrigerator just around the corner there. And then a window looking out from under the kitchen sink with some plantation shutters, wood cabinets, and also a storage pantry there as well. And then we'll just continue on along this way. So the kitchen opens out into the open plan dining and living space. So you can see a ceiling fan in here, sliding glass door out to the backyard. But you can see a nice size space. And you do have a couple closets here. I believe this one, that one on your left, just an air handler for the HVAC. But you do have a coat closet on the back side of the kitchen here. And we'll just show you quickly the outdoor space. We need to show you through the door. So you have a patio that's nicely enclosed with some privacy fencing. You do have some parking that belongs to the unit as well. I know there is at least one marked space. There may be 2, but you can check with the leasing office for details on that specifically. And heading back this way, you have on your right side the half bathroom. The flooring continues into there. You have a single vanity and commode, some strip lighting above the mirror, and then beneath the stairs tucked in here, and we'll get you some more light if we can, you have a laundry closet behind the bifold door, so should be space for a side-by-side washer and dryer in that cabinet. And then we're on to the upstairs level. So you have carpeting starting there. And I believe this closet is that's just the water heater, but there is some possible storage around it. So you have 2 bedrooms up here. This is the larger of the 2, and you have 2 closets in here as well as a ceiling fan. And a window looking out towards the back of the unit, but 2 nice sized closets there. And then you have a full bathroom, the flooring from downstairs. You have an updated vanity, sort of a barn style cabinet door, single vanity and shower and tub, towel surround. And then last but not least, your second bedroom, also with a ceiling fan. And you have a closet on that side. I'm not sure if you can quite see that, but you do have some built-in organization, just some shelving inside that one. So that completes our tour of this home. 3700 Bush River Road, Unit I-2. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.